Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths Tutor. Our question is, a die has numbers 1 to 6, such that sum of opposite faces are always 7. What is the correct wave of die? Since from given sum of the opposite faces are 7. So face marked X and or face marked S should be opposite to 7 minus X. Hence, as these are opposite, X and 7 minus X cannot be adjacent faces. Now, in the given 4 choices, only one wave, that is, here we can observe option B is such that X and 7 minus X are not adjacent. Only one wave, that is option B, is such that X and 7 minus X are not adjacent. That is, here for all other options, X and 7 minus X, these are not adjacent. These are adjacent, and here we can observe here it is 1, 4 and 2. That is, our correct option is option B.